Hey everyone, it's Christy with Anchor Life 5. Thanks for stopping by and joining me for a few minutes today. I have the new Happy Box from the Happy Planner, and it is called Stay Wild. They just released this one and it just came in the mail today, and I'm so excited. So let's go ahead and open it up. So this is how it arrives. It's got the cute little Stay Wild sticker. I'm just wondering if I could, I actually might be able to take that off, so that's kind of cool. And we open it up, and you've got this gorgeous, colorful cheetah print tissue paper with the cheetah print sticker, and I know it's gonna rip. So let's just do this. At least maybe we can salvage some of the tissue paper. There we go. All right. Look how gorgeous that is. All right, the first thing we have is this heart, and it says Stay Wild, happy things inside. So we're getting a classic notebook, 3 note cards, 4 dividers, a dashboard paper pad, embroidered patch, 60 filler sheets, a silicone patch, a tote bag, 2 sticker sheets, a pen holder, 2 big sticker sheets, and then 10 extra sheets of stickers. So a lot in this one. So the first thing is, here is the Stay Wild embroidered patch, the beautiful cheetah colors. And then these are the note cards. So you are great. You are bold, unique, brave, strong, kind. And then just a regular cheetah print. And then here is our pen loop. And then these are our 10 pages of stickers. All right, so here's the first page, and they are gold and metallic and beautiful. And then this one is matte. And we've got another one that's matte. And another. I love this. And here we've got the gold foiling. And then there are your circles that say you are rare, just be brave, you are okay, participate, practice kindness, and choose joy. And then we've got our spots, and some to do, and some note stickers, and then you've got your alpha page. Here is our notepad and our dashboard. Oh, and it's attached. That's cool. So you've got your dashboard, and then the notepad is attached to it. So these are your today focused. And I think there's 60 in here. So it's got today's date, your priorities, self-care, reminders, what to do, and then extra little boxes. And then here is our awesome little silicone pouch. This is great. It kind of reminds me of like those jelly shoes that I used to have like back in the late 80s. It's kind of like that kind of material. And then we've got, here are dividers. Save that for last. And we've got 2 big sticker sheets and our tote bag. Wild and happy. Love it. I absolutely love these tote bags when they come with the Happy Boxes. Beautiful. It has the fold out on the bottom, so this is going to hold quite a bit. And then, yeah, very, very nice tote bag. And then here, look at these rings, guys. Look how gorgeous they are. Kind of gold speckled rings. And it says, "You are so great. Keep it up, babe. Never forget your own worth." And then we've got some dot grid paper. "Don't be afraid to fail. Be afraid not to try." And "Kind heart, brave soul." And of course, "Live creatively." Absolutely beautiful, beautiful, beautiful box. I do know, or I think that they are sold out as of right now, but they are working hard to get things back in stock. And I did get a 20% off coupon when I ordered mine, and I'm sure that they will do that again. But I highly recommend getting these Be Happy boxes, especially if you're new and you're needing to get a lot of stuff at once. You just can't beat the price of this. So thank you everybody for stopping by and joining me, and until next time, bye guys.